and welcome back to Think for Win. In our last video, we talked about the power of having a vision, the driving force behind every great achievement. But having vision is only the first step. Today, we're going to explore something even more important, turning that vision into action. Without action, even the most inspiring vision will remain just a dream. Let's dive into how you can take meaningful steps toward making your vision a reality. Every big achievement starts with one small step. It's easy to get overwhelmed when you think about your ultimate goal, but the key is to start. Taking that first step sets the momentum in motion. Look at Steve Jobs, for example. He had a grand vision for Apple, but he didn't wait for the perfect conditions to start. He began in a garage with nothing but a few resources and a clear goal in mind. Over time, Apple became one of the most innovative companies in the world. The lesson? It's not about where you start, it's about starting. So, what's that first step for you? It could be as simple as writing down your goals, making a phone call, or learning a new skill. Remember, the first step, no matter how small, is crucial. Now, here's the thing. A vision is often big, bold, and can seem overwhelming, but the trick is to break it down into smaller, actionable steps. When you break your goal into bite-sized tasks, it becomes much more manageable and less intimidating. Take Elon Musk, for example. His vision for Tesla and SpaceX was huge, making electric cars mainstream and colonizing Mars. But he didn't tackle these massive challenges all at once. For Tesla, he focused on improving electric batteries and making a sports car first. He began by developing reusable rockets for SpaceX. Each small victory was a building block toward his larger vision. So take your vision and split it into smaller milestones. It could be a 5-year plan, a 1-year plan, or even daily tasks. By focusing on the next step, you'll move steadily closer to your ultimate goal. Action alone isn't enough. You need determination. Success doesn't happen overnight, and setbacks are inevitable. The real test is whether you keep going when things get tough. Consider Thomas Edison, who famously failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb. When asked about his failures, he said, "I have not failed. I've just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison understood that persistence is key to turning vision into reality. Every failure was a step toward success. So as you take action, remember that setbacks are part of the process. Don't give up. Stay consistent and keep pushing forward, even when the results aren't immediate. On your journey, you will face challenges, whether it's lack of resources, self-doubt, or external obstacles. But it's important to see these challenges as opportunities to grow and learn. Oprah Winfrey is a prime example. She faced numerous hardships growing up, including poverty and abuse. But instead of letting these experiences define her, she used them to fuel her passion and work ethic. Today, she's one of the most successful and influential people in the world. Challenges will come, but they don't have to stop you. In fact, they can make your vision even stronger if you approach them with the right mindset. No one achieves their vision alone. It's essential to build a support system, people who believe in your vision and can help you along the way. This could be mentors, friends, family, or even a team of like-minded individuals. Think of any successful person, whether in business, sports, or entertainment, and you'll see that they had a support system. Having someone to give advice, encouragement, or even a push when you need it can make all the difference. Don't be afraid to ask for help or collaborate with others. So, what's the takeaway? Vision is the starting point, but action is what turns dreams into reality. Take that first step, break down your big goals into smaller ones, and stay persistent, even in the face of challenges. And remember, it's okay to ask for help along the way. Now, it's time for you to act. What's one small step you can take today to move closer to your vision? Whatever it is, do it. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for watching Think for Win. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more motivational content. Until next time, keep turning your vision into action.